Parts of the newspaper. But let's define first what a newspaper is. A newspaper is a printed publication consisting of folded and stapled sheets and containing news, feature articles, advertisements, and correspondence usually issued daily or weekly. And what are the parts now of the newspaper? Let's start with the general news. This consists of reports of world, national, and provincial events. The headline, printed in big bold letters across the newspaper, is the title of the day's most important news. It is found on the front page. The titles of less important news reports are written in smaller bold letters. Editorial. The editorial reflects the opinions of the newspaper editors on the current issue and usually carries an editorial cartoon portraying the current issue. This page has opinion columns and commentaries from regular column writers. In some newspapers, the opinions of the readers on certain national issues are also published in section. These are called letters to the editor. Business. The business page carries information about banking, prices of commodities, exchange rates of different currencies, reports on business events, and other information that people in the business want to know. Entertainment. Information about movies, television, radio, and other activities for entertainment and show business are found in this section. Horoscopes, comic strips, and crossword puzzles are also included here. Sports. News about sports events, both local and international, are found in this section. It also features news articles about people well known in sports. Sports editorials may be found in this section. And lastly, the classified ads. This is where people can publish advertisements for different things like houses or lots for sale or rent, available jobs, or legal notices. These advertisements are usually smaller than the ones that appear in other sections of the newspaper. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Learn something with J. Simmers. Till next time, bye!